Okay, let's get right into it. I'm going to draw a circle, stroke or add a stroke of 10px, change the color to blue, make the circle transparent. Then I'll duplicate the circle and double click on it to delete half of the circle. Double click again to delete half of the remaining circle. Then I'll change it to a preferably lighter color, white. Yeah, that's good. Then I will delete the same size from the other circle. And just to make my progress circle look very real, I'm going to curve the edges by adding a circle. So I'm just going to try and make sure it fits perfectly so it doesn't look like I added something. Then I'll duplicate it and add to the other end. Yeah, so it fits perfectly now, so I can now duplicate it and add to the other end. Yeah, looks good. Okay, fits perfectly. So I'm going to add percentage in the circle just to make it look more real. Perfect. There's also an easier way to manipulate your circle, so I'm going to show you. I'll just draw another circle over this other one. Yeah, so I'm going to try and make sure it fits perfectly, make it same size. So I just want to show you an easier way of manipulating your circle. So okay, yeah, it fits perfectly now. So there's a point there. I'm going to click on it and draw. You see, you can do a pie chart, you can do anything. You can hit on that point again and reduce it. Perfect. So there are more than one ways to manipulate your circle in Figma. So I just change the color to red. That's it. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.